Recently, I have started to build my health portfolio. I have started Health SIP. Financial portfolio, financial SIPs, mutual fund ka SIP, we have been listening about this a lot. But then I thought about how about creating a health portfolio which has a regular health SIP into it and which will enable me to enjoy my life after 40s, 50s and beyond. Yes, friends. Today I am going to talk about Health SIP, how to do that, what are the SIPs that you can invest in. I am also going to talk about why you need to invest in your health and how you can build your health portfolio after the age of 40 or age of 50. To have healthy lifestyle, to have healthy living, definitely health is the priority. Gradually, when we are young, we don't get that buzz of health because we are busy creating wealth. But as we age, when we move to late 30s or early 40s, we try to see that our health needs more attention. It needs priority. And that is when we can think about health SIPs. First of all, talking about why we need to invest in health, what I believed and what I experienced is that I would like to share with you. Recently, I went to Doryatal Chandrashila trek. It was a tough trek. For me, I am a beginner and I did that trek successfully, but still I faced lots of problems. I would rather say as I started investing in my health before going to the trek, that really helped me a lot. If I would have not done that, probably I would have not been even able to accomplish even one day of the trek, right? So I did start my health SIP recently from the month of January and February. And that is where I thought that investing in health is very important. Health is wealth, we all know that. If we want to have independence, if we want to have respect, if we don't want to be dependent on our loved ones, and if we want them to enjoy looking us enjoying our life, then we need to have good health. So today I will tell you about 5 SIPs that will help you to build your health gradually, and I am also currently practicing this investment and I'm very much happy about it. I won't be wrong if I say that money compounds through regular investments. Similarly, health also compounds through regular healthy habits. Financial SIPs are regular investment of small amount of money. Similarly, health SIPs are also regular investments in our health through small daily habits. The only key part here is the consistency. Consistency beats the intensity. So talking about the very first health SIP, it's walking. Regular walking is definitely an underrated exercise. But if we do it consistently, the benefits are compounding and mesmerizing. So at least 30 minutes of walk regularly or daily, that helps a lot. You may do it either altogether 30 minutes or you may break it in the parts as per your convenience. But walking daily has changed my mobility. Definitely I'm sure that it will change yours. The second SIP is quality sleep. Why quality sleep is important? Because sleep is the recovery department of our health portfolio. If we have quality sleep, we are able to recover fast. We will have better mental clarity. We will have hormonal balance. We will also have good energy. So quality sleep is must and mandatory for us. So the third health SIP is freshly home cooked food. Freshly home cooked food are really easy to digest. They are not like the processed food that really take hours to get digested. But of course, it also depends on the meal plan that we follow. The meal plan should be in line with our lifestyle. That depends whether we have sedentary lifestyle or active lifestyle. So your calorie intake can depend based on that, and you can have your meal prep accordingly. So here it won't be wrong to say that the kitchen is your first health insurance plan in your health portfolio. The fourth health SIP is muscle strength. Well friends, muscles are our retirement fund for physical independence. And muscle strength starts reducing after the age of 40 or 50. We start losing our muscles. So strength training becomes most important part of our exercises. We can do simple strength training exercises at home. Simple exercises like squats, wall push-ups, using of resistant bands, even walking these stairs up and down at your home can help us to build our muscles, can help us to build our retirement fund. So the fourth SIP that we can invest in regularly, daily, spending 10 minutes a day even will work a lot in building our muscles. Fifth health SIP is to follow a simple schedule. Follow a schedule which you can maintain regularly. Consistently walking, consistently eating home cooked food, consistently having a better quality sleep, or consistently having a home cooked food. This consistency would be loved by our body because our body loves rhythm and not intensity. Small steps regularly, small systematic investment in your health regularly with the help of a schedule will help you to maintain the schedule, the SIPs, and ultimately the health. Our daily habits of investment in our health will compound towards the better health as we grow. It will compound towards our independence as we grow. It will compound towards pursuing our hobbies as we grow, and ultimately it will help us to enjoy the success that we have earned during our youth as we grow. So friends, after 40s, either our health can become the biggest liability or it can become our biggest asset. We just don't want to live a longer life. We want to live a better life. As financial SIPs, our financial portfolio converts into huge investments. The same way with health SIPs, the health portfolio will get converted into a healthy life. The choice is ours. I have made my choice. What about you? Do let me know in our comment section that do you have any health SIPs currently that you follow knowingly or unknowingly? I would love to hear about it. Do share it and we can grow together. Also, if you have any friend who needs health SIPs information, do share my video and like and subscribe my channel Sahat Soch. Till then, see you in next video.